sabi ko lang na hindi pa naman tapos. So, may game 3 ba? Sana manalo kami dun sa game 3 na yun. Of course, paghihirapan namin. Hindi madali yung laban. Pag-aralan namin kung may access namin. Matuto kami sa kung ano yung pagkakamali sa mga magaganda namin yung gagawa namin. Babalik kami sa game. Medyo nakita namin yung take charge mo no third quarter with those 3-pointers. Even pagdating ng fourth quarter, with that possibly your final collegiate game, is that something that plays on your mind that you want to really take charge more for you in that clincher, just like you did nung nag-champion ka? Hindi siya totally take charge sila kasi nagkataon na naman na sa akin yung mga shots. So, yun, para secure yung first na mga teammates ko yung sa coach. So, kailangan ko itiran na with kumpiyansa sa sarili. So, yun, yung nangyari sa third.
JD, how are you guys moving on from this defeat and focus on the game day?
Simple na po. Buwan lang. Magkalimutan kung ano yung nangyari sa game ko. Pag-aralin din. To the next time, game to
JD, you welcome your career day with the championship. Ito potentially baka na season 1. So just can you tell us how confident are you just to win it all, like the road up here that's winning a championship again?
First of all, natalo kami sa first year. Kasi nag-LSU ako first year. So, sa tanong mo, hopefully makuha namin yung panalo sa game day and sana magtapos yun lang.